Now, we'll master the simple present tense, your go-to form for habits, truths, and timetables.
The simple present uses the base form of the verb. Remember, add s or s when the subject is he, she, or it. Use simple present to describe things you do regularly, your daily or weekly routines.
It also shows universal truths or scientific facts, statements that are always true.
We can use it for timetables or calendars, events set in the near future.
For most verbs, add s. If it ends in ch, x, s, o, add es. For verbs ending in a consonant plus y, change y to I and add es.
For negatives and questions, use do, does. Remember, the main verb stays in its base form. We use do and don't with I, we, you and they. We use does or doesn't with he, she and it.
Watch out for those sa, y, s and keep the base verb after don't, doesn't.
Pause and complete these, then check.
1. Works. 2. Rains. 3. Don't eat. Well done. Keep these patterns in mind, and the simple present will soon feel natural.
What do you like to do on your weekend?